Good morning, students. Welcome back to your social science class. We were studying fourth chapter of history. Name of the chapter is Tribal Communities. So in our previous classes, we studied about the tribal way of life, their society, economy, hunting, gathering, herding, rearing, settled agriculture. And we also talked about how did the British rule affect the tribals. And today we will talk about tribal revolts. Since the Britishers disturbed the traditional way of life of the tribals started revolting. There were many tribal revolts during the 19th century. The major rebellions of 1831-32 were Coal Rebellion and Santhal Rebellion of 1855. The longest duration revolt was done by the Mundas. It was the most powerful revolt. It was led by Birsa Munda. The Al-Ghulan or the Great Tumult wanted to drive out the Britishers and establish Munda Raj. Then Birsa Munda wanted to bring back their traditional way of life and free people from the oppression of traders, moneylenders and the Britishers. He also asked the people of his tribe to take back their land from the Britishers. This protest was like a social movement and its aim was to reform the society. Birsa Munda wanted the people to give up evil practices like drinking of liquor, sacrifice of animals and dishonesty. He was also against the interference of the Christian missionaries. Then the Britishers were against these protests. So what did they do? They arrested Birsa Munda in 1895 and imprisoned him. Soon after which Birsa died. So these were the revolts done by Birsa Munda. So with this we have completed the chapter, the tribal communities. So to sum up the chapter, I would like to say that there were many tribal groups of India. They had distinct culture of their own. The tribals were totally dependent on the forest. They gathered forest produce, hunted animals, and practiced shifting cultivation. Later on, some tribals took to settled agriculture. Then the British rule changed the way of life of the tribals. Many of them lost their land. They also resisted the changes in the forest laws. Then, in the 19th century, many tribals revolted. The rebellion by the Mundas was the most widespread. It was led by Birsa Munda. The Munda movement was against the British and their agents in India, and it also aimed at reforming the tribal society. So, we will do the exercises in our next class. The homework for you is to read the chapter. Thank you.